A big warm welcome to everyone who is watching us live. My name is Manu. I'm a Group VP with Xiaomi and I lead Xiaomi's business in India. Extremely happy to be here launching a brand new Redmi Note series. During this entire launch event, we will ask you guys 9 different questions. And for these 9 questions, you can win prizes worth 9 lakh rupees. You can win 9 plus 9, which is 18 smartphones. And more than 1,000 Mi fans can win these prizes. And not just this, you have the full day today to answer these questions. That till now, we have sold more than 100 million Redmi devices in India. And today, we will have another global debut. And we are calling this device as Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. We are introducing a brand new series within the Redmi Note family, and this series is called as Pro Max. The question number 1 is probably the simplest question. I'm sure all of you guys know this. The question is very simple. Please answer dash 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 is India's #1 phone brand. Do not forget to use all these hashtags that we spoke about, and 2 of our lucky Mi fans will get a chance to win 2 brand new Redmi Note devices. So what are these brand new Redmi Note devices? Starting with Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. To talk more about this, let me call on stage the man himself, Chief Marketing Officer of Xiaomi India, Sir Anuj Sharma.
So the second question, which Manu mentioned, and I want you to answer with total number of Redmi devices sold in India is more than dash. You guys all know the answers. Write that answer down, tweet, go on Facebook, wherever you are participating in this contest with these hashtags. And of course, you guys are going to win big. You guys want to see what the Pro Max looks like? Yeah. Of course. We have moved on to a dot display. We have the largest display that we've ever put on a Redmi device at 6.67 inches. This one features a 20:9 cinematic screen, which looks absolutely gorgeous. We are getting you flagship haptic experience. The Pro Max still has that awesome 3.5mm jack. But what we are also retaining is the much loved IR blaster. Now what we've done is we've moved the fingerprint sensor from the back, which has been traditionally there, to the side. Let's get into the colors. You've got 3 incredible colors. You've got the Aurora Blue, you've got the Glacier White, and you've got the Interstellar Black. It looks absolutely stunning from any particular angle. On the Note 9 Pro Max, you get Pro cameras, max performance. The Pro cameras start with a 64 MP quad camera array at the back. You've also got an ultra wide lens. You've got a 5 megapixel macro that can also shoot 1080p videos for the first time. You've got a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is now in display. You've got a powerful Snapdragon 720G with up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 128 GB of UFS 2.1 storage. You've got a massive 5020 mAh battery with a 33-watt charger in the box. You've got an Aura balanced design, making it look spectacular. And this entire finish is obviously protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 5. And there are 3 of them, front, back, and the camera unit. And of course, you've got 3 gorgeous colors to choose from. So that's the Pro Max. So the question number 5 is, the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes with a dash mAh battery and a super fast dash watt in-box charger. Use these hashtags, put your answers out there, and of course, taking these answers all day. So just continue and spread the word. Let me call upon Ankit to talk about the Note 9 Pro.
Thank you, Anuj. Hello, Gadget Wala in the house. Yeah! Question number 6. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes with Blank, that is India's first navigation system. So Redmi Note 9 Pro. Yep. Of course, the star of the whole show is the Aura Balance design. That gorgeous glassy back and the front, protected by triple Corning Gorilla Glass 5. We've got an in-display camera, trusted loving features like IR blaster, the side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The star of the show is, of course, the 20:9 aspect ratio cinematic screen, the biggest one that we've packed in, 6.67 inches, and this gorgeous symmetric layout. But let's also take a look at the performance. Note 9 Pro hai, to tagda performance to is a given. We've got similar amazing performance courtesy the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. Packing in Snapdragon Elite Gaming for the first time in this price category. There's up to 6 GB of RAM for smooth multitasking with 128 GB UFS 2.1 storage, 5th generation AI engine, this absolutely flagship feature, which is the Z-axis vibration motor, which gives you a whole different experience. There is our biggest ever battery that we are shipping in to a Redmi Note device, 5020 mAh. You can go on for hours doing your favorite things, and 2x2 MIMO Wi-Fi along with Navic support, India's indigenously developed navigation system. Super excited with all the cool performance features that are coming in on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Why should Max have all the fun? Talking about fun, let's jump into another question right here, right now. Question number 7. So, the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and Redmi Note 9 Pro come with super powerful latest Qualcomm Blank processor. An incredible 48 megapixel GM2 sensor primary camera. It's a quad camera assembly. There is a 119-degree field of view, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, slow motion selfies for the first time, that really cinematic 21:9 movie frame mode, a fully souped up, beefed up video pro mode, kaleidoscope, and AI portraits. All right? Now, you want to see what the box looks like? Of course, that's what you're going to buy. The Redmi Note 9 Pro comes in this really cool, sleek, minimal packaging. You've got your 18-watt charger in the box, SIM ejector tool, user manual, the gorgeous Aurora Blue here on display, and Xiaomi's own silicon case to keep your prized possession absolutely safe.
So let's have one more question. Now this time you can choose to answer both of them, and both of these questions will get one winner. So the only thing that you have to do is tell us your favorite 3 features on Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and your favorite 3 features on Redmi Note 9 Pro. And don't forget to use all these hashtags. Each of these questions will get one winner each. In case if you drop the phone, it also comes with reinforced corners on all 4 sides so that it does not cause damage to your device. And they also come with P2I coating, which makes these devices splash proof. Price of Redmi Note 9 Pro base variant, which is 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, is 12,999. And the 6 GB 128 GB variant is being launched for 15,999 rupees. So what should be the price of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max? The base variant, which is 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, is being launched at 14,999 rupees. We have 6 GB 128 GB variant, which is being launched at 16,999 rupees. And the top variant, which is 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, is being launched at 18,999 rupees. Redmi Note 9 Pro will be available next week on 17th of March across Mi.com, our partner platform Amazon, Mi Home stores, and Mi Studio stores, and soon you can buy them across all our retail stores. Now, we will also have launch day offers that we are going to reveal on 16th of March. Now, what about the elder brother, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max? That will be available 1 week after that on 25th of March, again across all these platforms. What is the honest price of Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max? So that's all from our side. Thank you so much to all our Mi fans, our media colleagues, and our partners who are watching us live. So thank you so much, guys. With this, signing off. See you guys very soon. Namaste.